we'll guide you through how to create a Stripe account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website by typing stripe.com into your browser. Once you're there, look for the button that says Start Now or Sign Up, typically at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, full name, and create a password. Make sure your password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. After entering your details, hit the Create Account button. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email from Stripe. Open your email inbox, find the message from Stripe, and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Stripe to continue setting up your account. Now you need to provide some additional information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and phone number. You'll also need to select the type of business entity you operate, whether it's an individual, company, or nonprofit. After that, you'll be asked to provide details about your banking information to receive payouts. This means entering your bank account number and routing number, so Stripe knows where to send your funds. Make sure you double-check these numbers to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Finally, you'll need to verify your identity by providing certain documents like a government-issued ID. This step is crucial for compliance and security purposes. Once you've uploaded the necessary documents, Stripe will review your application, which usually takes a few days. Once approved, you're all set to start accepting payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.